Hi guys, in the previous videos I was just giving you a fast forward introduction about Facebook ads. This is Faisal Siddiqui. If you don't know me, let me give you a brief introduction about myself. I am an experienced entrepreneur who has established multiple brands online from scratch through Facebook ads. I have an experience of spending over $1 million on Facebook alone for my business and for my clients. In order to make you believe and make you more comfortable, let me share few of the snapshots so that you can get comfortable about what you are going to learn from this course. In ad account 1, I have spent over $314,000. In ad account 2, I have spent over $272,000. In ad account 3, I have made a spend of over $150,000. In ad account 4, you can see that I have managed over $300,000, and I am also managing dozens of accounts where the lifetime spending is over $10,000. The idea of sharing these stats is not to brag about myself. I want you guys to believe in my ad strategies and want to make you comfortable that you are at the right place. My Facebook ads experience is not limited to any country or any region. I have an experience of running ads for the worldwide audience. During my 9 years ads journey on Facebook, the ads which I have created has been seen by over 200 million unique users, and these users are from the worldwide location. So I know the user behavior, I know that how and when your ad is going to work, I know in which specific region you need to target when you are running worldwide ads. In this particular course, I will be covering all the information which I have learned after spending $1 million on Facebook ads and after creating 2,500 ads on Facebook. I have not only created these ads, I have created then optimize these ads in order to achieve the marketing objectives. So this course is going to be full of information, and I will try to share as many strategies as possible so that every business, every entrepreneur gets benefit from this course.